The service has now taken delivery of the prototype rural response pump, which is now currently being used for driver training and operational evaluation by our frontline firefighters. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank the working group, who consist of all of the rep bodies and frontline staff, who have developed and designed the specification for this rural response pump. Evaluation of the rural response pump continues, and this DVD highlights aspects of that work.
The innovative rural response pumps are custom-made 4x4 vehicles fitted with high-performance firefighting and rescue equipment. These vehicles are being introduced to improve the service's ability to respond to emergencies in rural areas and areas with difficult access. They will also improve the service's existing fleet, enabling an improved response during periods of severe weather, including flooding and snow. We have been working with frontline firefighters from the outset in the design of these vehicles, and we're in the process of running detailed evaluation days where firefighters are being given the opportunity to test the vehicles, provide feedback and suggest improvements before the final design and specification is confirmed. These evaluations are designed to demonstrate the operational capability and new technologies incorporated in each vehicle, such as the high-pressure pump, the foam fogging unit, and the battery-operated rescue tools. During evaluations, the working group selected the Waterous fire suppression system, designed specifically for attack fire suppression. The rugged, powerful PB80 is a gear-driven centrifugal pump powered by a V-twin engine, which delivers 22-bar high-pressure water fog. The fog-fighting capability contained within the rural response pump provides excellent gas cooling and rapid dilution of the flammable gas layer for compartment firefighting.
As a fire behaviour instructor, I've used it now on many occasions during tests, and I can see it just as good, if not better, than our normal fire appliance.
The fire you can see the firefighters entering and tackling is a standard training configuration, which reflects the fire loading contained within a medium-sized kitchen or a normal domestic lounge. During our compartment firefighting evaluations, our firefighters were able to successfully bring the compartment fire under control and extinguish it with under 100 litres of water, whilst using the Waterous fire suppression system. During evaluations, the fire behaviour training instructors built up the container fire to its maximum safe limits for entry and were still able to bring the fire under control and extinguish it with only half a tank of water.
To be honest, quite impressive the way it has knockdown effect and firefighting capabilities. I'd be more than happy to send operational crews who've had sufficient training into firefighting jobs using this appliance, providing they're using the modern techniques which we use in training.
For the effective control of wildfire and grass fires, our firefighters selected the Wildfire Attack System. The wildfire fogging system utilises the latest high-pressure pump to create atomised water droplets. The wildfire fogging system has equally spectacular results on heathland and a bracken fire. The system's rapid flame extinguishment also has the added benefit of minimising damage to our environment. The addition of the variable foam injection system means faster knockdowns, meaning longer firefighting for capacity carried. Firefighters have also tested the equipment on simulated car fires and have experienced quicker results whilst using considerably less water than through traditional methods. After extensive evaluations, the firefighters on the working group have selected the Lucas hydraulic rescue tools. Lucas hydraulic rescue tools do not need to be connected to an external hydraulic generator. Whilst using batteries as an energy source, you have almost unlimited freedom of movement when working. There are no cables or hoses to hinder the user, the rescue tools are quieter, and there is no risk of high-pressure injection injuries to personnel from hydraulic hose failure.
This stuff is going to be ace stuff, and it is very powerful as well. As you can see, the cutting now, there's no pipes anywhere involved, it's just battery operated, and you can't trip over things. Very safety conscious. If it was available a few years ago, it would have gone on the pumps then.
Mid and West Wales Fire and Rescue Service views the introduction of the rural response pumps as a positive step in improving its ability to provide an emergency service regardless of weather or terrain.
The onboard systems that's provided by Mercedes certainly allow the drivers to get the vehicle where it needs to go. The key features of the RRP, it's very easy to drive. It's got the onboard ESP system, which is there for the safety of the people within the vehicle. It's fully automatic, however you can lock down gears for added safety as well. There were certain areas as to where we went up on the Walters Arena off-road site where we certainly couldn't have taken the fire appliance, but the RRP certainly went through it.
I'm pleased to say that the rural response pump will improve our ability to respond to a wider range of emergency incidents, and therefore will improve the service that we provide to the public.